Still stuck Googling how to start a business? While someone your age is already making lakhs a month from a laptop, most people dream of starting up, but have no idea where to start. No money, no product, no plan. Sound familiar? Here's the harsh truth. Opportunity doesn't wait for your confusion to end. If I told you there's an AI that builds your business in under 60 seconds. Logo, website, marketing, all done? It's called durable.co. No coding, no design degree. Just type your business idea and bam, instant brand. Oh, and yes, it looks better than most Rs 50K websites. Even your cousin who's learning coding since 2019 will ask you for tips. Now you've got the website. But what about content, pitches, and branding? Just plug your idea into chatgpt, mix it with Canva, and watch magic happen. Posts, pitch decks, Insta stories, done in minutes. This is how modern moguls are made. If you're not using these tools, someone else is already stealing your dream life. Here's the crazy part. This setup can launch a biz while you're still in class, eating Maggie. But what happens when AI gets smarter and you're still thinking of starting? The next video shows how to scale this to Rs 1 lakh/month in 90 days.